Hello, and welcome to another edition of the EdTech Tip of the Week. This week's tip is Furly, Fur.ly, as you can see. And I'm sure you have seen some of these link shorteners for the internet. Every once in a while we come across a web address that's just entirely too long for us to write on the board so that our students can type them into their web browsers and visit these web pages. And sometimes we have a few of those that they need to visit in order to complete the project or assignment, whatever it is that they may be working on. And what Furly does is it allows you to shorten multiple URLs into one. And that's what separates this from Google's link shortener as well as Bitly, which you may have heard of, bit.ly. That does the same thing, but only for one link. And what this does is it combines several different URLs into one short, easy to type in web address, and you'll be able to visit as many pages as you put in. So let's see how this works here. Just for example, we'll use some short links for the time being, but like I said, any link will work in here. So we'll just go with Edmodo and Edmodo, and then now we want to go to Wikipedia to research the assignment we just found out about, and then we need to start typing it finally, so maybe we'll go over to Drive to do that. drive.google.com. Okay, now we've got 3 links, and we need to prove we have a heartbeat apparently down here, so I'm sure you all have seen these before, the wonderful CAPTCHA. MSLO above, and then we just click go. And now here we have one link that'll take us to all 3 of those links, and you can click yourself right here to try it, but this is what you want to write on your board for your students to be able to visit these web pages from one easy short link. And this is what they'll see. If you click try it, you see we have this bar across the top from Furly, but we have our web page, the first one we put in, Edmodo. And to view the other pages, you just click through the arrows here. We're on one of 3. Now here's Wikipedia. And you also have the option of using the drop-down menu to visit your website. So if you've got 6 or 7 of them for some reason, it's really easy to go from one to the other. You don't have to use the arrows. Alright? And lastly, Drive, of course. And then one of the other neat features about Furly here, looks like it's taking a second for Drive to load, but we'll go ahead and check out these stats. There are statistics, and you can actually see who all has viewed the links. So say you've got 22 kids in your class, and only 21 are viewing. It tells you that at least one of them has not gone to the link, and you can go over and help that student, or you can go over and make sure that they're staying on task. And this is kind of what it looks like. It's just me on here, but if you had multiple students, there would be several bars across this graph. Alright, so that is Furly. And if you have any questions, as always, you can reach us at technology@hendrixdayschool.org. Thank you very much. Oh, and also I wanted to add that obviously you can't view all these pages from one tab to complete your project, so you need to be able to open them in another tab in your web browser. And to do that, you simply so let's see, we're on Wikipedia, and we need to go back and look at some more information about our project. So if we come up here and we click on Edmodo, and then we can click this button right here next to it. It'll let us open it in a new window, alright, or a new tab, and that way you can have multiple windows and be able to continue working on your project. Alright, and that is it. Thank you very much.